Good morning. Alright, so check this out. So today is yesterday we had an inside day. So the whole price action, the whole session was inside the previous day's session, inside the range. Couldn't break the low, couldn't break the high. Now overnight, first of all, the scenario that I gave yesterday in the node, it played out pretty much what I said, that I was looking for a breakout of the previous day's half. We did get a nice breakout with a nice price action and order flow supporting, but I said that this area was going to be resistance, and we needed to hold above 80. And you could clearly see the absorption up here. There was a lot of big orders coming in, and then we ended up pulling back. We pulled back almost all the way to the breakout area, and then it held eventually, but it held in the middle of this mess, right? So now overnight we did get tested that 90-day point of control, and then this morning again Trump's talking, saying that we're gonna bomb Iran again. So we did get a big drop, but it's holding at that weekly VWAP and still inside yesterday's range. So today we have FOMC, and it's one of those FOMC that we haven't seen in a while, in which traders are not sure what's gonna happen. There's like a 60% chance that they do one thing, 40% chance they do something else. Usually, the last several meetings we've had a very high probability of getting the rate change correct. This time there's a lot of uncertainty in comparison. So that means that when they announce, we might see a big move in either direction or both directions. We do have push structure all the way to the highs of these highs, the recent highs, even the all-time highs is push structure. So below we have push structure all over. We have this two equal lows. We have two equal lows here. We have overnight sessions that haven't been tested during the RTH. So lots of push structure there to repair, to clean up. So this could be between the FOMC and then Apple earnings. We could see all that, a lot of that repaired. Actually, Apple earnings is tomorrow, but today is Microsoft, so those big earnings too, and Meta, and what else? Qualcomm, and tomorrow we have PCE. So between all of that, we can expect a lot of big moves up and down. So just be careful. Don't try to be a hero and play and trade during that volatility. Wait until things settle. Yes, you could make a lot of money, but you could also lose a lot of money in those moments. So trust me, I know. Don't ask me how I know, but I know. So anyway, I'm gonna use yesterday's value and the overnight range to that's my range, right? Inside that, probably chop. If we break the overnight low, I'll be looking for an initial look below and fill, and see if we can stay in the range and test the other side of the range. Same thing if we test above the overnight high. You see the 7,500, maybe look above and fill. If it holds above the overnight high, then look for the continuation to that move to fill the gap and during RTH, or to test above this high right here and then come back down. And the same thing this way. If we hold below the overnight low, look for move towards those equal lows that are all over the place. But I have a feeling that that's going to happen after the FOMC. I've seen this a lot of times where like we have this weak highs and lows, and then they get repaired during the FOMC rate announcement. And I don't think there's a way to trade other than just flip a coin and just put a trade and then hope it goes in your direction, because you never know what's gonna happen. So one of my rules is don't be in a trade before the announcement. Just wait until after. Wait to see when the book thins out, and then after the book thins out, then you see all this orders start to get placed in, and then you see that the move is more clear, and it's more clear where the market wants to go, and the moves could be very, very fast. So keep that in mind. And Q still, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have these 4 days of pretty much same area, same balance. NQ has been one time framing down, and not only that, but over the value areas are barely overlapping. So very strong sellers on NQ. Like I said yesterday, looking for, if we keep moving down, looking for that 200 moving average at 26,600, and this high volume node at 400. But if we're trading in this distribution, we might see even a bigger move here, but I don't know. We'll see. We have to see. Crude, of course, now is moving up, because now we are bombing again. Tomorrow probably there's gonna be a deal. And gold still in this distribution. This is a nice distribution, so I would start looking for longs in this 4,000 area to go back to the middle of the range. FOMC days, gold moves a lot too, so be aware. And besides FOMC, we do have crude oil inventories at 10:30, and like I said, earnings after the bell, and PCE tomorrow morning. All right, good luck, and I will see you later.